Hello friends, welcome to Practical Estimation and Costing Training Program. Today's session on RCC One Way Slab Quantity Takeoff. Today we learn how to set the Excel format for all condition of one-way slabs. Quick walkthrough of key data entry points. My next lecture on RCC two-way slab quantity takeoff. Stay tuned for more efficient and quick techniques in our upcoming sessions. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. We go through on one-way slab drawing. This is S1 slab. This is a short length. This is a long length. This is a continuous slab. Right side. Here is the alternate bent up bar. This kind of bar. Here is the location of bar. Start from this support. L1 by 5 bent up, and the next slab go to L by 4, L2 by 4. Similarly, alternate bar start with end support and end with next support. This is the Excel format for one-way slab for all conditions. We go through on Excel format, required data, grade of steel, grade of concrete, slab cover, serial number, condition, one-way slab, two-way slab, location on drawing, nearest column, nearest beam, description, number of slab, shorter side support, shorter side continuous bar. What is this? Shorter side support, left, right. This is a short side, 2.583. Left support, right support. This is a left support, this is a right support. This is a 0.3. Short side continuous bar, left, right. Here is the no continuous bar in left side, but in right side it's a continuous bar. 5.7. This slab length is the 5.7. Now long side support, left, right. This is a long side. This left, this right. Left side support 0.3, right side support 0.3. Long side continuous bar. Here is a no slab. Blank these fields. Shorter length 2.583. Longer length 5 meter. Depth of slab on drawing 150 mm. Here is all dimensions are in meter. This is a concrete quantity. Depth 0.15. Here is the two conditions, left right continuous. 50% bar in same length and another 50% is the same length. We divide this length in two parts. Now the shorter bar is the 8 mm dia 150 mm center to center. Long bars is 8 mm dia 200 mm center to center. Now fill this data. 8 mm diameter, 0.15 is the spacing. Now we have to calculate the number of bar. Here is the main steel in the shorter span. We work out the number of bar on longer side. Simple formula, round, round up this length divided by this spacing, 0.15. Similarly, control D. We divide this length two parts because of the two types of different length is here for main steel. Similarly, go for the distribution steel. We divide the shorter length because distribution steel plays in longer sides. Shorter length spacing is 1.29 divided by spacing, comma 0. Control D. If you want to check this number of bar for an example, here is the longer length divided by spacing, 0.15. Here is the number of bar is the 33.33. We take a round up, it's come 34. Similarly, for distribution steel, this length divided by point, number of bar is the 30. Here is the 14 due to round up. Now calculate the length. Guys, listen carefully. Already I have given the details here. I'll show you. First one is the short side, left side continuous. Here is the no left side continuous. That's why it is the blank. Now start with the F8. F8 is the left side support minus spacing plus G8. G8 is the right side support minus cover plus P8. P8 is the shorter length internally, 2.583. Now 0.42D into R8 is the depth minus both side cover, top and bottom, minus one side dia. I will show you. Guys, this is our IS code IS456. Here is the condition is the 0.42D. D is from this to this. Here we consider total slab depth minus both side cover minus this dia, one side dia. Okay. Here is a 0.48D. Okay. Now H8 by 4. H here is the left side no continuous, then blank. H8 by 4. We set this formula plus 2 into R8 minus both side cover. R8D means this end is bent in the slab. We consider the full depth of slab and deduct the both side spacing. Okay. Now simply the control D of this formula. Now same things as above. This is a support F8. This is next support G8. Here is the difference. Shorter side continuous bar. Now we go for right side. Please drag this formula for right side. Drag the formula right side, then 0.42D, same above. Now this is length I. We drag this formula for right side. This is divided by 4. 4 because this bar continues in next slab in L by 4. Plus same above end support. End conditions 2 into depth of slab minus both side cover. Now go for distribution steel. This 50% length is required only for the number of bar. Okay. Now similarly, long side, this is a long side. Here is the end support. K8 and L8 is the long side, left right support minus both side cover, and Q8 is the long side length 5 meter. Okay. Similar next number of bar also. Here is the missing only bend deduction. Deduct bend from this length. Our next part is the here we divide the 1000 because this is a W9. W9 is the diameter of bar. Diameter of bar is mm. Here is the weight per running meter. Total weight is number of bar, number of slab, and length. Standard weight per running meter 23 kg. This diameter wise we bifurcate the steel. Now for shuttering, number of slab, short length, and long length. Thank you very much.